Just go to this field that says Enter Text. Now type in the name and click on Save just below it, and beaudom, I just received $30 for typing this in. There are 3 steps that are required to be completed by you to do this. Step number 1, go to the website I have shared and get your free typing practice done. Step number 2, create an account on the website mentioned, which will literally pay you $300 just for writing names. And the last step, that is step number 3, go and collect your payment in PayPal. All this is just possible due to this amazing website named. Hey there, welcome back. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. But before I tell you the secret to earning money, just by typing a single name, make sure to like and subscribe. Cause let's be real, it doesn't cost you anything, and you can unsubscribe anytime. So let's get right into it. But please make sure to watch this video carefully till the end, so that you don't miss out on the exact process. I've seen my friends miss a couple of details while doing this process, which resulted in getting banned and not getting a penny. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you on exactly how to make $300 by just typing names. And yes, don't forget there will also be Easter eggs along the way, which will help you win a mega prize of $1,500. So don't blink or else you might miss it. Now to start this, firstly head over to ratatype.com, where you can practice your typing for absolutely free. Yes, you heard me right, absolutely free. Now after you have opened the website, click on Start Typing Now to begin. Just type as fast and accurately as possible so that you can train yourself for the website I'm going to show you in just a second. After a couple of tries, I'd say you are ready for the real magic. Now it's time to head on to the website that is going to pay you your $300 today. Now this website will work worldwide, so your country won't be a problem. The website you need to head over to is talenddesire.com. Now what I want you to do is head over to the current openings section of the website, where you can see all kinds of jobs they are offering. But for this video, we are going to focus on online typing jobs. Now take a look at this, as it says you can earn $13,500 and all the way up to $27,000 per year. It's actually a very good earning opportunity for people from any country in the world. Now for the registration fees, take a look at this. It is absolutely free, and the cherry on top is that there is no hidden fees. Now if you scroll a little bit further, you can see depending on what level you are on, you'll get paid different amounts of money. Now in just a moment, I'll give you a special tip on how you can earn a higher rate. You'll learn that even if you are a beginner, you can earn a higher rate. I'll show you my secret sauce in just a moment, and no other person will know about this. So right now, I'll share the first tip that'll help you achieve a higher rate by simply typing names online. I want you to head back over to ratatype.com that I shared in step 1. Now, the reason we're back on this website is because we are going to get a typing certificate from this website for absolutely free, and I'll show you all the steps in this video on how to get it. The reason why you need a typing certificate is because it will boost your level and your income. If you want to make $15 for every page that you type, make sure to get your certificate. And this is the ultimate secret that nobody in the world knows about. Even if you are completely new, but with a certificate, you'll be accepted much quicker and will be receiving a higher earning rate. And with that being said, with this certificate, you'll be able to earn $300 or even up to $400 for just simply typing names. It's very important for you to keep watching so that you can complete the application on talenddesire.com in a perfect way. Now let me show the whole process. When you are on ratatype.com, the first thing you need to do is to sign up for a free account. After you are done signing up, head over to your profile where you will be able to see your results. Now here you can see your typing speed and accuracy at the very top. Now when you scroll down below, you can see that this is my certificate. Now just click on the certificate. It reads issued to Stacy Monroe for typing in English, and it even shows you the signature from ratatype.com to verify that the certificate is real. Now it's time to head over to talenddesire.com, and I want to scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find this button that says Apply Now. And then you come over to this page where you start applying for your job, but please pay very close attention and watch this video till the end, as the registration page is hidden on this website. You might get lost or fail to find the registration page if you don't watch closely. Now scroll down to step 1 where you see Select an application form. I want you to click on that, where you can see an online application form. After you head over to the online application form page, you will find an online form that you can fill to make $300 a day. Now you just need to fill up this form in order to get the job. But if you can't find the form or this page, make sure to rewatch this video and follow all the steps carefully. The thing to take care of while filling out this form is the preferred job title. Almost all the people do it incorrectly. I want you to fill in online job typing the same way as I did, or you might get rejected. Now I want you to select all day as your preferred time, as this will increase the number of job opportunities for you. And in the way to receive earnings section, you can select how you would like to get paid. For me, PayPal is my preferred option. Now down below, in your employment status, I will select self-employed. So once you have completed all the steps, go ahead and click on Yes, I have read and type your name in the signature box, and then just click on the Submit button. It usually takes around 7 business days to get accepted. And once you are accepted, you can see just by typing 300 words on one page like this, you can earn $15. You can earn the $15 over and over for every single page you type. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.